What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So it looks like Xiaomi's foldable phone will cost half of what the Galaxy Fold will cost, and it will launch in Q2 of 2019. So if you don't know, the Galaxy Fold costs around $2,000. So the Xiaomi is going to cost around $1,000, and the Mate X actually costs $2,600. So this is looking like hilariously a budget device almost. Now I'm not saying that it's going to be a budget device as in it's going to be bad spec wise and all that stuff. This is tuning up to be an excellent little tablet that Xiaomi is supposed to come out with, or foldable phone. Now it will be using an OLED panel, which is going to be really nice, and as you can see, it has a tri-fold design, which looks great. So it doesn't look like a budget device at all. So I'm really excited for this. This is the tablet or the foldable phone that I think most people are going to buy. I don't think a lot of people are going to have around $3,000 or $2,000 to drop on a smartphone. So this looks like the one, because people do drop $1,000 on the iPhone or Galaxy phone. So what do you guys think? Would you guys drop the cash to get it? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe for daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.